What's up, guys? So we are going to be playing with Cody's truck today. It's a 2014 3.5 EcoBoost. We're going to get a couple exhaust clips, see if we can make our street sweeper system fit it and what it sounds like. Go ahead and rev it, Cody. Barely can hear it. Yeah, we'll get his in here. We'll get this big bitch on and see what we can make it sound like, because that sounded like nothing. Hopefully the street sweeper will make it sound a bit crisper, bit cleaner, and give it some volume. So to start, we're under here. We're disconnecting it. What size was that one, Cody?
15.
15. Just loosen the clamp. That's literally where the exhaust is gonna just slip onto as well. Same location. And it will come out right back here. All right, guys, that's how it looks on your 3.5 EcoBoost 2014.
The body's a little thinner on the 14, so it does stick out like an inch more. But
Yeah, it sticks out a little bit, but you can always cut it down, and we have not adjusted it in any. It's got a little play there. Yeah, let's hear it. I got turbo noise. Yeah. Yeah.
Idle's down pretty good too.
Yeah. Pull her out.
Yeah.
Watch your mirror. Like it was close. How's it sound in cab to you?
Sounds good. A little rumble. I like it. Now I can actually tell when it's on.
Yeah.
All right, little rev outside.
Yeah.
Isn't that loud? Just a little bit, just what I wanted.
I mean, it's a V6.
Let's try and pull.
Alright. Street sweeper in action.